In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and repair your Microsoft Store in just 5 minutes, so let's jump right in. First, let's head over to your Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking on the Microsoft Store icon, or if you don't have it pinned, just type Microsoft Store into the search bar at the bottom of your screen and click on it to open the app. Now once the store is up and running, you'll want to make sure you're signed in. This ensures you have access to all your purchased apps and any preferences linked to your account. To sign in, locate the sign in button, usually found in the upper right corner of the store window. Once you click it, a sign in prompt will appear if you aren't already logged in. Simply enter your credentials and hit enter. Remember, being logged in not only helps you keep track of your apps, but also ensures you can receive updates seamlessly. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Store's homepage. This is where you'll typically see featured apps, top recent downloads, and recommendations based on your past activity. From here, we'll dive into the next step, accessing your profile. Look towards the top right corner again and click on your profile icon. This is essentially your hub for managing your account details, settings, and devices. Once you're in the profile section, find the devices option in the menu. Clicking on this will allow you to see all the devices associated with your Microsoft account, perfect for managing any issues you might face across devices. Now that we're in the devices section, it's time to move on to the repair process. In this list of devices, find the device you are currently using, and you'll see an option labeled repair. Click this to initiate the repair process. What this does is check the integrity of the store on your device, fixing common issues like app installation problems or unexpected crashes. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to quickly reset and repair your Microsoft Store without any hassle. This thorough repair ensures your store runs smoothly, providing you with a seamless experience each time you download or update apps. If you experience further issues, consider visiting the Microsoft support page or checking online forums for any updates or patches that might address deeper problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tech tutorials for more helpful guides.